What's up everybody, this is a 2016 ArcticCat Alterra 550 XT. We're going to do an update, how many miles it has, how it's holding up, all in today's video, so stay tuned. So here we go. We have, alright, this ATV has 2,600 miles on it, almost 2,700. We've got trail scratches. It's been used almost every day. Scratching on the sides. The bumper's a little scuffed up. We've got some rash here from something. Over here we got some scraping down the side. This sticker is all scraped up. The plastics are in pretty good shape. Got a little scratch here. Footwells are great. Haven't had any issue with them. I like the wide open design. Really gives you a place to move around in there. Back here we have the 3-inch rack extension. And I've actually lost one of these rubber things. Not exactly sure what those are for, unless you like rest something on here and you don't want it to wear on the metal or something. Racks are great. They have held up great over the years. I like to use bungees, and you can hook them anywhere on the racks. Got plenty of hook points all over the place. Inside here, basically any place you want to can hook on. If your bungee, strap it down. I've really liked these racks over the metal racks, just for the fact that you can strap them in so many places, and it's got that texture on it so they don't slide around. Instead of having bars like the old ones had, you'd always end up resting stuff on your fender itself instead of on the rack. So those have been great. The seat is in good condition considering its life over the years. We do have a little rip right here in the back, so we'll have to do something about that. Overall, it runs and drives great. We've got trail scratches all over the place. I have updated suspension bushings on it, so if you missed that video, be sure to check this video out up here, and I did the suspension bushings in that video. Also, we've replaced 3 CV boots on this one, I think. The rubber suspension mount bushings in here, those are worn out. I'm trying to figure out a solution for that, so I get a little bit of clunking when I drop the tire in a hole or something. That's what that is right there. This is on most ArcticCat ATVs. If you don't have like a UHMW bushing or something that'll fill up that space instead of rubber, you'll get this issue with this. The ball joints are good. I don't think I've ever replaced the ball joint yet. Suspension otherwise is in great condition. The winch is a worn VRX 35S synthetic line winch. We've got the winch line bumper there. All this stuff I'll have in the description. You can check it out. These tires are Mass FX 25-inch Maxxis Bighorn knockoffs, basically, is what these tires are. I just went for a budget-friendly option than the Maxxis. I've had Maxxis before and they've been great, but when I got these ATVs, I just wanted to get something on that was good, and these have been really good. They have worn really well. There's not a whole lot of wear actually over the years. We're running on gravel. We've got all these dirt trails, grass, but a lot of gravel and dirt. And for the wear over the years, I'm really impressed with these tires. And I had a comment on the weather checking. There's no weather checking on that tire. No weather checking on that tire. I haven't had any dry rot issues or anything with them. Yeah, they have held up really great over the years. Alright, yeah, so no weather checking on all 4 tires. So those have been great. Worn winch has been great. I like the look of the bumpers on this one. The other one I didn't get bumpers for. Just wanted to have a little variance in the ATVs. Up here we have heated grips and hand guards on here. And that is just for rider comfort. In the winter you want warm hands and you want to be protected from the wind. These are mostly just wind deflectors for me. And if you get into a lot of brush, they'll help with that. And we've got the control for the heated grips right here, low and high. We've got our rocker switch for the winch mounted up here on this side, so I can use that for plowing in the winter. So that is basically everything on this ATV. It has been great for the last almost 2,700 miles now, and still going strong. Hope you enjoyed this video. Just a little update here on the Alterra 550 XT. If you enjoyed it, smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.